With the deal, with the deal. It's your boy Zigzag in the building. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to Showtime. Appreciate you giving me the opportunity, homie. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Q. That's who I'm about to kill up there. You know what I'm saying? Big shout out to Seven City Shark. Shout out to the whole VA, man. I'm doing a little tour through the VA. I'm undefeated so far, so far, man. I'm waiting on somebody to do something about it. You feel me? But I'm coming up there to do some damage. Niggas gonna know my name after I leave there, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? And, oh yeah, Q's, I see got your little war, most improved and all of that. I hope I'm not your next battle after you won that award, because they might take that shit back from you, homie. I'm just keeping an old stack with you, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I watch your battles, you know what I'm saying? I think your pen game is cool, whatever, but you not gonna stand a chance with the shit I got for you, homie. I ain't even wrote for you yet. But I know the shit that I got that I am gonna write, so I pretty much got it. You're not gonna be able to stand with this shit, homie. So, bring your A game. We can make it a classic, or we can make it a casket. It's up to you, homie. Zigzag in the building, lurking on you niggas. UNC us no chill, Dukes up, Bull City all day. Let's get it.